How to enable or disable PHP extensions, using the CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Extra Features section, click Select PHP version. Here are the PHP extensions. The extensions with checked boxes are enabled, and those with unchecked boxes are disabled. To enable a particular extension, click to check the box. It shows a success message. To disable an extension, click to uncheck the box. If you see a warning message related to the PHP native version, instead of extensions, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. Thank you for watching.